Chris with Legendary Customs based out of La Crosse, Wisconsin. This Dodge Ram behind me has some really messed up black paint. We did our paint restoration services on it, and even though it's an older vehicle, it looks like new. Check this bad boy out. There was a big scratch all the way down the side. Still kind of see it right in there. It actually was dented, but we were able to get the majority of the scratch out. It's still there, but it is almost invisible unless you're really looking for it. And then the paint itself, just look at the reflection. Just awesome. Anyway, the long and the short is, there I am. If you are looking to have your paint restored in any way, on new vehicles, on old vehicles, classics, everyday rides, whatever you want, we can handle that here at Legendary Customs. We like the oldies, but something like this, we can get in and out in a day. What a beautiful truck. Troy, thanks for bringing your truck in. Turned out great. I know you will like it as much as we do.